You know what? I burned out my vocal cords yelling at the basketball game on Wednesday. I can't even. I'm just done. All right. I'm loving it that it is week 6, and I'm still seeing people working hard, showing up to class, doing wonderful things. So we're going to do a little bit of would you rather, and that'll mix everybody up, and then we're going to kind of reseat you so I have equal people on both sides, because yes, we're going to be competitive. But before we do, I think I'm throwing a would you rather in, but before we do that, the very first thing is we're going to have Abby come and tell us about a special opportunity this Friday. Here we go.
So if you haven't figured this out yet, I get to be everybody in student life when they decide not to come to work for some reason. So I am Jose today because Jose is not here. And today is our community walk at the Arboretum. It's our monthly challenge of 81K, but you don't need to do the 81K to participate. Like, we want you to do the 81K, but you don't need to. So come at 4. There'll be some snacks and some water at the Arboretum. Do you know where the Arboretum is? Anybody? Yes? Yes? Okay, perfect. Yeah, so come and enjoy a nice little walk. I realize today it's cold, but it will be fun. So, yes.
Here we go. All right, everybody stand up. You do have to make a choice. You cannot be in the middle, all right? Here is the first would you rather. Would you be rather to be caught in a hurricane, come over here, or caught in a tornado? Go. Hurricane, tornado. Hurricane, tornado. Interesting. Hurricane, tornado. Interesting. Yeah, yeah. Okay. All right. All right. Interesting, interesting. All right. Would you rather watch a tornado from your front porch as it's coming in, or be in the basement as the tornado's coming in? Watch from your porch the tornado. Oh, look, uh-oh. Be in the basement. Oh, I'm a basement person. Folks, be a basement person. Oh, you people. You people. All right. All right. Here comes your last kind of not really weather-related one just to get you going. Would you rather be bitten by a snake or take Biblit? Go. Yes, Biblit. What? Bitten by a snake? Okay, I'm just trying to get everybody to work. Okay. Okay. All right, Luis, I'll forgive you this time. Look at Brooke. No. All right. Now that we're up and going, everybody loves Biblit. We know that. I want about 50% of you to sit in here and 50% of you to sit. We're sitting in the 2 middle sections. So find your place so we have about 50% of the people. All right. It is my great honor to introduce to you our wonderful head of facilities and a dear personal friend, Ben Miller. He is here because he wants to keep you safe, not just when a snake bites you, but even more importantly, in a tornado. No. We're going in the 2 sections. All right. I think we need some more people way over there, Santi and George. Yeah, some of you go way over there. All right, Ben.
Today we are going to talk about severe weather preparedness, so tornadoes, lightning, all that fun stuff. Who here is from Texas? Oklahoma? Kansas? All right, so all of you are affected by this. You are in the great place called Tornado Alley. So today we're going to play a little Jeopardy. Russell, you want to cue that up? Oh, no, we're going to watch the video first, aren't we? Okay, so back in the early 90s, a huge tornado came through. It started south of here, came through here, came right towards the college. There was a small event, that kept it from hitting the college. It just went just around the college, and it took out most of the north part of Hesston. So we're going to watch a short video on that.
I was outside when the first siren sounded, and we were looking towards the southwest, and all we could see at that point was a big black cloud. It looked more like a thundercloud or something, but all the clouds around it were white. The closer that cloud came to us, the more defined it got, and the more it looked like a tornado, till pretty soon it was a funnel cloud, and it was a sight I've never seen before. And about that time, the second siren went off, and we were told to go downstairs to the basement because we'd be safer there. It was coming right at the college at that time, and we were all a little bit nervous.
I kept coming out of the basement to go to the back porch and look over the western skies, because it was quite a sight as this storm was in motion. And when it got to maybe half a mile away, it became very apparent to me that it was going to hit us. And so I went to the basement where Jean and Sarah were, and we huddled between the washer and the dryer, put pillows and blankets over our heads, and began praying and hugging each other, asking God to preserve our lives.
Yeah, we were eating supper, and we had the TV going. We were getting ready to eat supper. And we had the TV going. We saw the tornado warnings out, but you know how you kind of just ignore those things and go on. Renee happened to look out the window and just saw this ugly-looking gray cloud come out, and she says, "Dean, come look at this." And went and looked at it, and by that time it really had taken shape, and it had gotten closer to town. And so she immediately hollered at the kids and went on downstairs, and I had been videotaping earlier, and so I had the camera all ready, and so I went out on the front porch of our house, which is 1.5 miles east of town here, and just shot the tornado as it was going through town.
all of a sudden you could hear the glass going first, and then all of a sudden you could hear like just big bangs, wood flying. I'm sure that's what it was. Like it was just noise. And you could still hear part of the wind, but it wasn't, you couldn't hear the loudness because it was so noisy because everything was breaking. So we thought, oh no, you know. And all of a sudden it was about two minutes and it was quiet. And at that point we just decided to, let's go see. It must be over. It went so fast. And so we went upstairs and we just couldn't believe our eyes. I mean, we just stood there. It's not true. I can't be, you know, like, I mean, the place looked devastated.
Just like a plane had flown over loaded with garbage of all kinds and dumped it in a path. And, you know, cars and trucks from neighbors, you know, parts of houses, clothes, etc., just all kinds of things strewn all over.
Who here has actually seen a tornado in person before? It's pretty cool, isn't it? All right, Michelle is going to introduce the game that we're going to play.
All right, and I'm going to ask Kevin and Kalia to come up. They're our scorekeepers. Come on down. And if you all would join, we're going to have Team A and Team B. And what happens in Jeopardy is you see the answer, and in groups of about 3 or 4, you're supposed to give the question. Some of these will be weird and you're not going to get them, but the points really don't count. We're all winners. And we're having fun. And then, yeah, thank you. And then at the end, the final Jeopardy, we ask the question and we'll choose one of your rows to wager all your money or some of your money, and you write down your answer. If you don't get it at the beginning, you'll get it very, very soon. We had a recommendation of Team A, Taylor Swift, and Team B, Kanye West. That sound okay with you? Yeah, all right, here we go. Why not? Why not? Go ahead and put their team names down. And we're gonna pull up. Hello? We're gonna pull up. And what we'll do is I'll just kind of call on a row. You can whisper to each other, but from your little group, you have to only give me one answer. And remember, your answer is in the form of a question. Does that make sense? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We've got great groups. All right. We're going to pull up that PowerPoint, and away we go. Oh, okay. Projector's got to warm up.
Uh-oh.
I think, right?
It's got to warm up? Okay.
Should we just be able to go? Oh. Okay. So most of you have been in a tornado.
So our categories today are going to be the Hesston what? Is the wind blowing? Thunderstruck? The Wicked Witch? And not in Kansas anymore.
All right.
So, and you can say 100 through 500. So if Michelle, if you want to start,
Yeah,
just
I'm gonna
pick
start.
a category
I'll
and
pick
tell me
yeah.
how much you want to wager.
All right, and we're going to go down here to AJ's row. All right. So of those categories, which category do you want? Say Wicked Witch. They're going to take Wicked Witch, what for what money? 500. Wicked Witch for 500. All right. This is the Taylor Swift group.
Wicked Witch for 500.
Yep.
The answer is 200 miles per hour plus. What is the question?
Use the back row to help you if you need to. Or use Nick. Yeah. Yeah. Now, that's how many rows? Yeah. Okay. All right. The question is, what is a Category 5 EF5?
That is correct.
Whoa!
An EF5
Whoa!
tornado,
All right.
the wind speeds are 200 miles per hour plus.
All right.
Nice job.
Okay. Fernando? All right. Here we go. Pick a category.
I can repeat them if you need me
How
to.
about not in Kansas anymore? Not in Kansas
Not
anymore.
in Kansas
what
anymore.
Money? What money do you want? Oh, we don't have that. 500. We want not in Kansas anymore for 500.
The great state of Texas has averaged 135 of these per year in the last 5 years.
Repeat that.
The great state of Texas has averaged 135 of these for the past 5 years.
What's the question? These are Texas people.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm not from Texas. Hey, y'all from Texas. So what is that? I don't know.
Who's here from Texas again?
Louise.
Isn't Texas great? What is there not to love about Texas? I mean, seriously.
We love that, yeah.
We love Texas.
What's the question? It's coming up. So the answer is there's been 135 of these in Texas. So it's going to be a what is?
What is 1, 2, 3, 4,
We'll get you next, Charlie.
5.
Oh, Charlie's going to help him. All right, Charlie, help him. What is it, Fernando? Tornadoes.
Yes.
What is tornadoes? Yeah.
Texas averages 135 tornadoes per year for the last 5 years.
It's crazy. All right, we're going up to Madison and Amesrow. All right. And what would you like? What's your category and money?
Let's do the Hesston what for 200.
The Hesston what for 200? The answer is walk-in cooler. Oh, this is a good one. The answer is walk-in cooler.
The Hesston what?
Jamie. Jamie. But not. You're right. Not 1990.
Wouldn't it be like a safe place to stay? What is a safe place to stay?
Okay. What is a safe place to stay in a tornado?
No.
No.
Yes, but no.
Yes, but no.
Yes, but no.
Here's the question. Tell us a story, Ben.
During the Hesston tornado, where did the Pizza Hut customers shelter? In the walk-in cooler. The Pizza Hut was leveled. All that was standing was the walk-in cooler.
All right. Okay, Junior, it's going to be you next. All right. Now we have Kanye West. All right. Category and money.
300. I'll go 300, not in Kansas City.
Not in Kansas anymore for 300. There we go. Texas, Mississippi, Kansas, Alabama, Louisiana, Illinois, Iowa, Georgia, Oklahoma, Nebraska.
What is Tornado Alley?
What is Tornado Alley?
Yes, Junior.
Whoa,
That is
yeah,
exactly
Junior, all
right. Those are the current
300.
states that encompass
Kevin,
Tornado
300 for
Alley.
them. Okay, Desi and Jocelyn. Meteorologist Jocelyn, this is going to be so good. What have you got?
You pick.
Uh,
You just pick the guy.
Hesston what for 500?
The Hesston what for 500? They're going for the big money. All right. All right. The answer is, Ro, microburst. What is the question?
What made the tornado
Shot down. Yes.
What saved the college?
What was it that saved the college from the 1990 tornado?
That is true. What caused the
That is
tornado
correct.
to divert away from the college was a microburst.
Whoa.
Good
All
job.
right. Now we're going down here. All right. We're going to Joanna and Brooke. All right. Give a category and money.
Which one are we doing?
Or Michaela or somebody. The Wicked.
No. Do Thunderstruck for 500.
Thunderstruck for 500. Height, shape, isolation. Oof. Destiny says, what is the measurement of a tornado that determines its number?
No. These are the 3 factors that attract lightning to a building.
Oh, I didn't know that either. I didn't either. All right. Oh, I messed up the chance to steal. I messed up the chance to steal. I just didn't do it. We're
No
just doing
stealing.
another number.
No stealing. We don't steal
Go to
here.
Ashley. All right. JC and Ashley, category and money.
Is the wind blowing 300?
Is the wind blowing for 300? The basement is the answer.
What is the tornado shelter at Hesston College?
Correct. The tornado shelter,
what is-
if you're in
okay.
Herb Hall and the tornado sirens go off, head straight to the basement.
All right, very good, very good. Okay, we're coming to Garrison, Charlie, Rock, all of you guys. Give me a category and money.
Is the wind blowing for 400?
Is the wind blowing for 400? Here we go. The answer is March through June, 70% more.
Season says.
What is tornado season?
That is correct.
That is correct. Yeah. All right. Okay. Bring it down. Okay, here we go. So we got Anna and Celine. Would you, and you all kind of help, okay? And what would you like to choose as category and money? $500? They're going to try, let's try Wicked Witch for 500. That's an easy one. All right.
We did that one already, Michelle.
Oh, we did that
We
one.
did that
Okay,
one.
sorry.
We did
Yeah,
that
but we
one.
did that. Sorry, go back. Oh, that was my bad. You want to do is the wind blowing? Is the wind blowing for 500? Enhance, I don't know how to say that word.
Fujita.
Fujita scale is the answer. What is the question? Anybody know? Anybody know?
Do, 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 do.
What's the scaling system for tornadoes? It's the EF scale.
What is the EF scale?
That is correct.
That is
Tornadoes
correct.
are measured with
Oh, okay.
EF, the Enhanced Fujita Scale.
All right, coming back here, close to the back row. Gabriel, your bunch. All right, and Nick. All right, Nick. All right. And Alice, what do we got?
Wait, the blue ones are already taken, right?
The blue ones are already taken.
Not in Kansas anymore, 400.
Not in Kansas, 400. Ah, I love this one. The answer is EF6 in Lubbock, Texas. Maybe some of you are from there. What is the question?
What is the largest tornado in Texas?
What is the largest tornado in Texas?
Yes, that is correct. The largest tornado ever in the world was recorded in Texas because everything's bigger in Texas.
Oh,
It was an
yeah,
EF6
there
in
you go.
1970.
All right, okay. Oh, look at the score. It's very, very close. All right. Okay, Nick, Ava, and Santi. All right, here we go. What would you like?
You can choose, huh? The Wicked Witch for 400.
The Wicked Witch for 400. A ditch or ravine?
It's a place to hide when the tornado comes.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that is.
Yeah.
What's a place to hide when a tornado comes?
Where is a place to hide when tornado comes?
If you're caught outside.
If you're caught outside. Where?
Can you be more specific, Nick?
In Kansas, when you're driving on the road, where's a good place
Yeah.
to hide?
When you're driving on the controversy.
When
What do
you
you
are
say, Nick?
driving, if you see a tornado coming, don't try and outrun it. Don't
gonna
crawl
get
underneath the bridge.
half the points.
Find a ditch or a ravine and lay flat.
I think half the
I
point.
think half.
I think half the point.
We're going to give them a half
We
point.
gotta get them. We gotta get people close. We gotta get people.
He was half right.
half right.
It's Nick. He's half right.
Okay, let me see. Yeah, Jordy. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here we go, Jordy. Double or nothing.
Have they done the Hesston what? 500.
Yeah, we have.
We did that one.
Pink ones we haven't done.
You have to do pink.
We haven't done.
I'll do.
You can do 400 though.
Yeah, I'll do the 400.
The Hesston what for 400? EF5. What is the question? That's the answer.
Tornado in Hesston.
Is it the largest tornado in Hesston?
No,
wait, no, wait.
it's the largest scale in Hesston.
Is that the final answer, Fernando?
That's half.
What is the largest scale of tornado? That's what they're saying. No, Joanne says no.
What is the fifth largest tornado?
What is the fifth largest tornado? Oh, this is the scale of the tornado in 1990. But this was their third one.
You've got 5 seconds. Give me your answer. 5, 4,
The size, say it.
3,
I don't know.
2.
No, I know. Go, you know. What is the size of the one that went through Hesston?
That is correct. The tornado that went through Hesston was an EF5.
But I half points, half points, half points, half points, half points. 200. It took too long. It took too long. All right, I'm coming to Larry. All right, here we go. Larry, you're from Oklahoma. You got this. What do you got?
Should I do Thunderstruck 400?
Thunderstruck for 400. No, it is not. This is my favorite answer. No, it is not safe. No, it is not safe. Jamie's got it. I think you do.
To go outside during a tornado. Like
Remember what the category is.
thunderstruck. Okay, so it's what is lightning to us?
No, the question is it safe to take a shower during a thunderstorm? No.
What?
Lightning can travel through the water lines.
That's rigged.
Lightning
can travel through water lines, so no points.
Here we go.
No
All right,
points.
didn't quite get it. Here we go. We're gonna we gotta be careful. This will be the last question. I'm looking at Quez. All right. Here we go. Okay, Quez, help us out.
Any of the ones besides Hesston?
Tell me.
Do Thunderstruck 300.
Thunderstruck 300.
Thunderstruck for 300. The answer is lightning. This is tough.
What is this, bro?
Nick's got it. I'm coming. Here, let me get. The question is, what comes before? What comes after thunder? And the answer is lightning.
Lightning.
Before. That's our final answer. What do we got?
You are correct.
All right, I think it's time for Final Jeopardy. While we're kind of getting ready, Ben, what else safety-wise do you want this group to know?
If you see if there's a tornado coming, don't stand outside and watch it. Don't do it. Does anyone know where to shelter in Kaufman Court if you live in Kaufman Court?
Hang on.
The bathroom, if you're on the second floor of the bathroom, if you can't make it down to the first floor, but first floor bathrooms in Kaufman Court or laundry room.
No.
Ideally, if Jacob is on top of things, the basement of Kaufman Court, underneath his apartment.
Underneath Jacob's. Okay, very good. Now we're ready for Final Jeopardy. If you were handed something, that's you, Rock, you guys, all right, work with the people around you, decide. We're going to give you the question, and you decide how much money you're going to bet. And then if you get the answer right, then you get that much more money. So the question is, click for the problem. I think you hit the click for the problem. Here's the question. Oh, you have to wager first? Oh, you got to wager first. I'm sorry. How much money are you going to risk? Okay, so you put down 2,000. Oh, we are tied. All in? All in. Oh, okay, we got our money. All right. All right. Oh, yeah, I see a little bit more. All right. Ben, what is the question? Maybe I forgot to put the question down on this PowerPoint.
When is it appropriate to go to the basement or to seek shelter?
That's Now, don't say it. You can talk to your people, but just whisper and you write the answer down. Write the answer. The question again is, when is it appropriate to go to the basement during a tornado? Help your team out if needed. If you guys know, go back and help them a little bit. When is it appropriate to go to the basement? And when you have an answer, write it down. Well, no, Quez, no. Don't go that way. Yeah. Nick, you want to win too much. Nick, you want to win too much. All right. All right. Taylor Swift, are you ready? Which one? You're Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift, are you ready? Kanye West, are you ready? No? Hurry up, Kanye West. Yeah, you got to send, yeah, I got to collect the papers. Please do. And that's my book. Those are my youth ministry books. And my pen. Time's up. All right. So, Kanye West says when it is safe and logical to do so. That sounds like a logical answer. And Taylor Swift said when we get a warning text and when we hear the sirens. Ben.
Okay, just so I can really clarify the stance of Team Kanye here.
A tornado watch means conditions are favorable. So a tornado watch means conditions are favorable. A tornado warning means an actual tornado has been sighted on the ground. So when it switches from a watch to a warning, seek shelter, go down to the basement. So, got it.
You got it. Let's give Heaven, Kalia, and Ben a great big hand, and we'll take attendance.
What's that? Oh, we got candy.
All right.
Just start throwing.
Oh. Yeah. There we go. I forgot about the candy. That was great. We didn't get to all of them. It is okay.